Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi paidbah subscribe ya u antor news. Khublei phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamanta kasngi. Kasian kabaning kong ha ga jala mikalaya kabanjia ba ka khli do jong ki he pulet ka jala ka kong ida shisha nongrang kala khot lawer ki paidbah banwan ya kandu ya ka ha ka Ophis treikam jaka ka Director General of Police DGP manla kasngi palai. Kakong ida shisha nongrang ka DGP kala khot lawer ning kong e ya ki paidbah banyak keren halor ki jingeh jong ki paidbah bat ki mat ki bakta ya ka jala. Hadien ka jingeh kendo ya arpo atli ki kenhon bat ki riu paidbah kakong nongrang kalai thu sha kilat pathai khubor ba ke ke bas ngautanat banyo banyak kendo ya ki paidbah hakeleng jong ka jala. Kidon ki bawan pen sngeu yala ke jing ujor kidon ki balawan pan jingarap kidon arkan huan ki bawan keren halor ki pulet ki balaklat hakpor bagi trei bad kiladawa ban aikam bad ngilabu jingtho ya kini baro ka DGP kalai thu ba kidon arkan huan ki balawan ban pen sngeu ya ka jing jong ki brio ki baduna de khotmet lani ki people with disabilities bad kilakentu ban a jing hikai pentebet ya ki traffic police khnang bakinang ban banyadai bad ki brio ki baduna de khotmet halor kani ka DGP kalakular banle ai mardor bat ka kongnong rang kalakular banle ai halor ka jingdon jong ki nong thau jingkulmar hakeleng ki jaka jong kanong ba shlong.
It was a very what should I say, interesting experience and a very enlightening one. There were various people from various walks of life had come in and various things. Some of them had come in with grievances, some of them had come in with requests for help. A couple of them were related to issues with our serving policemen. Two of them were with issues of policemen who had died while on duty and requests for a compassionate appointment, etc. We have noted most of the things. There were a few who had just come in on a congratulatory note, so I had a couple of minutes with all of them, and some which is not in my charter, but since they had come, so then accordingly advised them to take it up with the concerned authorities.
They made it request which you can address.
Some requests for. Wait, let me tell you what I can do immediately. Okay. There was two delegations, two groups which come in with regard to people with disabilities. They had wanted some kind of a training capsule for especially for the traffic policemen, personnel who, so that they can address the issues for people with disabilities. That we will be implementing immediately. There was one request for some kind of public nuisances being carried out in different parts of the city. That we could address immediately. Then other things would take a bit of time. There was also wanted to conduct awareness programs, and there was a complaint from, not a complaint, a request from these taxi aggregators. Unfortunately, that is not my charter, so I've told them then. And immediately, the other things, no. Those are the issues that would be addressed immediately.
So since it is a new initiative, how do you see the response?
I would say it was pretty good response for the thing. There were quite a few calls asking if we could come on other days. I said yes, but on other days you would have to take a prior appointment. Today you could just walk in and come.
And today altogether how many?
I have 22 groups. Some of them were just individuals. Some of them would come in groups of 2s and 3s. So,
Was there any issue, especially crime against women?
Crime against women, not. Yes, there was one.
An skren to mo no ke to ni kong isa mo pa man ai kublei I kong ai nong rang I DGP ba dan buram ba ila ple kalat ni bangin wan ban kendo snow ye ki jingi kum ki entrepreneurs ma jang ni ka state te ka jungwan jungi bani tentu badi kalong halor kali ka bede ba kani ki issue jo ki illegal aggregator ki ba operate aka state jungi te nakaliang jungi is tenat ba ikong ilong bayarap ba te there are some certain advices be ilaan ha bede ba kani te ngin sa pet nang is kmat ngam kwa than ban keren namar ba hakui ka bentaru ngi ngidang last year ngi job ya tu ka chief minister championship championship 4.0 te ngi incubate under prime te ngam kwa than ban keren ha be de ba ki details jong kane ndre pat nga shukrman ba ka government lembaga concern department ba ki shimkia ha be de ba kini ki illegal aggregator ki ba operate till date hani haka jylla jungi namar ba ka khata ba kam tam yangi ki bala yo ek license ki bala ya namba bon ki process ki bala seo ki sa da kilang ban yo ek ani ka license henre ha balong menta ni kalong very unfair ba ki balong illegal kin operate hangni henre pat mengipat uh, ki ba don ni ka license ni sha te sha kom which is I kalong very unfair yangi kan kum ki legal aggregator but ki startup na kani local startup na ka state jong Meghalaya tangye hi ko video kata te long in kwa da ban yu na ma ba nga in se pet adien de ba menta te tang ta hi swa
Naman na po support kani ni jingeh kini ba kamay bian somno mga klay ismo nagit komentar ni ka lakan ni ikam simsal kani tanda nakalyang bian ni ka president
tan ban ong namar ba kani ka kibun ki te nga kermen hi ba ka concern department kan le ka badon kam te nga kermen hi kini kisni te long nakaliang jungi ro nin explore other options namar ba ngasngo ba lada ngi sha dong kumne ngi sha le shiliang ngi yo apoi kaput ban sahaban tiet ka jingkhang jong ka khot kata di jing perkhat one of the options abai de ba kan tangka hi ke abai de ba kata hoi nga ki jia ki don be akan no ka benta andre pa long mentang la don ka license la system tam tengah snow ki concern department ki ban le ka badon kam namar ba ka la ta jor ban ngi la poi ha ka por ba yo let's say kani first aggregator in the state of Meghalaya can shut down because of nampak ko banang tang ba tang tahi